Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. This is my subject today, and I shot it a long time ago with 4x5 reversal film as a commercial photo of jewelry company. Well, I got to this base image, and also I have this pencil drawing type image. I made this by Adobe Photoshop, used filter called Find Edges. Try to see this, change the blend mode, which is now normal, right? Just change it, like darken. This is, you can see through underneath of the base image here, right? Well, next one. Color burn, linear burn, darker color, overlay. What do you think? It's cool, isn't it? If you overlay this pencil drawing type image, how come it shows like this? That's very interesting. And next one, soft light, hard light, vivid light. That's my suggestion. Just check this blend mode changed, then see these images like this, then find out what interests you, or maybe you can find some impressive image from this blend mode. Now what I'm going to do today is, well, I'm going to use this base image, but I may use this to, let's see, like an overlay. It shows so impressive ring colors and stuff. So I'm gonna make mask or something to show these combined together to the original image. Well, now I changed this image beforehand. I want to make that the smudge image for this original base one. So I'm going to turn this pencil drawing type image now just tone down, and I'm going to make duplicate on this base image. Then I'm going to turn this base one, just turn it off. Then I'm going to work on this duplicate layer. Okay, now I'm going to smudge with, since these rings are too small subjects, so I'm going to use a little pine to smudge. Okay, now let's, it shows so big now, so I'm going to turn it pretty small smudge on this. Doesn't show much, maybe a little bit bigger than 100% for opacity. And let's see, it shows yeah, this makes kind of as if you like you painted like oil paint or something. I'm gonna smudge all the rings first now. Make a little bit bigger than time consuming, so I'm gonna make this just like painting also. That's so interesting. I like this. Yeah, okay, now when you smudge it, you Yeah, I think I need to know which direction I am smudging, which direction to move the brush. Otherwise, it goes, well, makes different impression. Like this kind of design, you need to know the direction of the smudging. Now I'm going to make it smaller, otherwise I cannot tell what this is. Chain or just even though this is out of focus here. But you see close up, then you can tell. Okay, I'm done for smudging image. Okay, that's it. Now, I'm going to turn on this pencil drawing type image. Then I see here pretty much, wow, I want to see the blue light from behind. I want to show that too. And let's see, I want to use this overlay effect, color this of the rings, these jewelries, about 100%. Emphasize the color of the gold. Now change this blend mode. Let's see, one is for color for gold. That's overlay is good. Now luminosity, some part I think it's kind of interesting. Okay, why don't I use overlay for rings, jewelries, and I'm gonna use another one, is maybe darker color one, maybe change much for, well, let's see, color burn. Okay, now I'm gonna make duplicate, then I'm going to change color burn for one, and the other one I'm going to change this to overlay. Now color burn, I'm going to turn this one off. I'm going to work on this here, rename, this is overlay, change the name, overlay, okay, and then this is color burn, well, okay, color burn and overlay. Now I'm going to turn color burn off, and I'm going to work on overlay. Okay, make mask and invert mask. Then I'm going to choose the brush like hard airbrush, layer mask. I'm going to reveal this. Now you see this is 100%. So I'm gonna, this is too harsh. Okay, I'm going to opacity down to about 70% or so. Then use the brush, change to medium hard to medium airbrush, yeah. Kind of lighten up. I think gold turn into real nice color. Look at this specular highlight. Clean up the gold color, and emerald too. A little bit, if you think a little bit light, too light, then just hide it. Okay, now it's turning. Let's see. On, off. Now you see. Okay, now what's next? Okay, I'm gonna mask this color burn now. Turn this one on. Won't change nothing. Well, that's even though turn this overlay off. This one is just lighten up the gold color, right? Then this color burn effect shows black lines more contrasty, so makes more impressive, I think. So I'm not going to use everything, but maybe I select some part of the jewelries. Okay, make mask, same thing. Then now invert mask. Now we see nothing here. When you take this mask off, you see how much will affect these jewelries. Now it's masked. Oh, hide. Now I'm going to reveal some with the white again on this mask. Okay, use the same brush. Then see from here. See some to make it more impressive. Edge looks more sharper impression. Some around the emerald shows more sharp image because you see the black lines, black outlines, which makes contrast with the color gold. I think, yeah, there's bars too. Okay, that's cool. Now, so far just looking at overall image, same thing, except that the color of the gold and this line image. Now I'm gonna make this base image, smudged image. So I'm gonna make mask on this base image, then invert mask. Recent I used before. Let's see. This is, I think, interesting. How about small size? What do you think? Outside edge. Some kind of interesting black test. Yeah, that's interesting though. Okay, let's try this one to get this. Yeah, I want to leave this image here. That's interesting. I think this is cool. Okay, why don't I keep this? And also, I'm gonna make this image, base image. I'm gonna put this one, go up. Then make mask and invert mask. Now I'm gonna review this with airbrushing, medium hard airbrush. So this emerald stones. Okay, now I'm gonna duplicate this layer, then I'm gonna same mask, right? Selecting this image and check adjustments to curves, layer. Now watching these stones, lighten up. Okay, this is just light. Then contrast, a little more contrast. Then check now gamma, right? Now next green, go up the greens more, effective, color contrast. Add color contrast, and green has more bluer or green, more yellower. Add some yellow, goes more greener. Okay, let's check. Turn this one on, off. These are so nice colors here. Yeah. Well, finally, done. This is, I just changed the color, add adjustment layer here. Then same thing, showing this image. Well, if you turn this one off, well, you need to see the thickness of the color. Stone has this emerald. Then the other ones, like color burn, this is the just line image on the gold, and this is especially overlay. This one shows gold more, lighten up, and also the color goes to gold color. Well, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to help some kind of ideas for you guys, creative work. And if you think this is okay movie, then please subscribe and check the ring button also. Well, have a nice day guys, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.